Welcome. Why am I drawing a blank? Jesus. Well, we made it to day 21 of 31. 10 more days on this challenge. Yesterday we did the painful bunny. Isn't she cute? And we did that with two colors, black and white. And we did that with, well, actually it was gray and white, but I added a little black to make it some different colors with my ink. And so that was really, really cute, kind of a winter bunny. And actually it turned out really good. It was inspired by my bunny piggy bank, which I had actually drawn a picture of before. Do I have the bunny in here? These are some of my first drawings I did with the bunny. And that was like last fall or whatever it was that I started kind of doodling and, you know, seeing if I was any good at it. And I find that doing stuff that's kind of more circle, I have an easier time with. So that would actually turned out really, really cute. And for a second attempt, heck, that turned out better than the first attempt. And today we are doing another piggy bank. This one is an Oogie Boogie piggy bank. A imitation Oogie Boogie, because I know the big Oogie Boogie is more squarish in shape than rounded, but he's cute. And I did him last time. This was like my first attempt at any type of character, and he actually turned out really cute. The squares did not turn out that really cute, but we're gonna do him today, and we're gonna use whatever we have in front of us. Anywhere from watercolor to ink pens to whatever we have. I have some yellowish green looking paint, dry erase markers and sparkly pens, so we're just gonna use whatever we have, and Daddy is here. So let's get started. Hi! Just recording. So let's get started. So thank you and welcome to the Pynn Fool Budgeter. I appreciate all my beautiful...
I never know which room you're occupying.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bunny rabbit. I like that.
You
That's
got
cute.
hair all over you.
I know.
I did that off of this one. And this was the original one that I did last year. So I decided to draw him again. And this one I just did in two colors, in gray and white.
Oh my goodness. I like
And
that
then
one.
acrylics. They turned out really cute. And today we're going to do Oogie Boogie for day 21, which is Monday, not Tuesday.
What's this one here?
This is for my painful, that's for my banner.
Oh, I haven't seen this at all.
Yep, I just finished it. That's one of the ones I was doing on my lives.
Oh, okay. While
is
you're
Pop.
alive? Oh, are you on?
I'm not live right now, I'm just recording.
Okay.
Say hi to Pops. Wave, Dad. How's your back going?
Oh, it's hurting.
Is it still hurting?
I'm okay. I took a long nap.
Okay. You want me to cook
No.
dinner and everything tonight, or do
Yeah,
you...
a little later.
All right. Just tell me when you're hungry and I'll start it.
I figure around 6.
All right. That sounds good.
Or whenever you get.
I'm just doing some batch filming so I can have it ready to go, and so I'm not doing everything at once.
Because what I did was I got through finishing off my chili verde burrito.
Oh dear, get out of my house.
I know. Where's my buddy?
I don't know. I haven't. Well, she was in here scratching earlier, but I think she went outside.
Okay.
This
She
is
may be at the
my
door.
banner.
She
I'm
may
getting.
be at the door when I go
I
out.
finished. I'm gonna be putting that in the computer and getting my
Alright.
banner for the Painful Life and done it. All right, let's get started. I have no idea what I just drew. It kind of looks like a mix between a yin-yang and a football team person that painted himself and just went a little crazy. Almost like a Green Bay Packer type of fan who went a little stupid. I should put like a Green Bay Packer hat on him or something. I don't know what the colors are, but it looks like a sports fan meets a yin-yang that just kind of threw up all over him. I just felt like using greens and different colors. I just grabbed whatever I had. I basically just went, that's what I'm using. He's still cute. And I did that all freehand without sketching, so, you know. The original. The colorful. And the piggy bank. Some days you just start drawing and you have no idea what it's going to look like. And he's still cute. But yeah, he's either in a rave with some really weird colors and they're just reflecting off of him, or he fell into a paint bucket or something, I don't know. He's messy, but he's cute. And Oogie Boogie is very messy. He looks more like a Muppet than an Oogie Boogie. He almost looks like the Oscar the Grouch that found a pair of dice in his trash can. Anyways, well, there's 21 done, and let's get on to the next one. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.